today, eh? Why do I feel like I linger? Linger between the words to say, eh? To say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't done a video in a while. I kind of wanted to do a life update video and all that stuff, so I'm gonna go ahead and film. I am wearing my microphone, but I do have the fan here, so I don't know if it's gonna pick up the noise, but I honestly can't film without the fan on, so I hope you guys bear with me because I'm working on getting a new microphone, so hopefully that will happen soon. Something different up here maybe, or I don't know, but yeah. So anyways, let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my pore minimizer from Smashbox. So basically what I have been doing, guys, is we're on baby watch. We're waiting for my sister to have her baby. She's been having some contractions here and there, but she's still not opened yet. They did tell her that her cervix is thinning, so they don't think she'll make it to the 40 weeks, so she did have to leave work sooner than she was supposed to because she kept getting contractions. So she wants to be born already. So she is due on November 9th, and we're on October 17th. So we're hoping for the baby to be here soon. My mom already bought her plane ticket, so my mom is planning to be here. She will be here after the baby is born because my mom is getting here on the 31st of October. So if it may, well, maybe, because we don't know if the baby is going to be born before October 31st or after. So if she gets here after October 31st, then my mom will be here. So yeah, I'm gonna use the Peach Perfect foundation. This is the golden beige. You guys knew how much I love this foundation. I wore it like in all my videos. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply that. I'm just gonna wet my sponge a little bit with some setting spray. So yeah, my mom's going to come on the 31st. She's not gonna stay with me. She's going to stay with my sister to help her out with the baby and stuff. So my sister does want me to be there when she has the baby, so she wants me in the delivery room. I'm kind of excited and nervous because if you follow me for years and years and years, you guys know I had emergency C-section on my first daughter, so I wasn't able to have her normal. I was supposed to, but if you're new to my channel, I do have a video on great, I just got foundation all over my hair. I do have a video on the story on what happened, so if you guys want to check it out, check it on my stories. I do have a story video there, whatever. But anyways, so I kind of always wondered what it is to have a baby normal. I know I'm not the one that's going to go into labor and have a baby, but I mean, just to see it, I guess. I don't know, whatever, but I just want to be there for my sister for support. She needs anything, you know, to rub her back or whatever. I know her man is going to be there and he's going to help her, but I want to be there as well for her. Maybe not be in her way, because I kind of want them to experience them for themselves and kind of see what it is, you know. So I kind of just want to be there, watch, you know. If she needs me to rub her back, I can do that, help her breathe, you know. I mean, I'm not gonna say I've fully gone through this before, because I was with my oldest when I went into labor. I did have contractions. I have all the good stuff. My water, they broke my water, everything. So I kind of know what the contractions feel like. It's just that I ended up getting an emergency section, so it kind of sucks. But hey, now I have almost a 14-year-old daughter who is actually turning 14 in November. So yeah. So I thank God for that. So I just want to be there for my sister, you know. So hopefully everything turns out good and she's not going to have a C-section. She ends up having the baby normal and I'm able to be there to, you know, experience everything with her and stuff like that. So I'm pretty excited. I'm going to add a little bit more foundation because I feel like I need a little bit more foundation. Just going to do it on my cheek area because that's where I mostly like my full coverage to be. So we're all really excited. We're just really hoping she is born in October. We would really like to have an October baby because We already have a November baby, but I mean, whatever, when she wants to come, I think we're all just excited for her to be here. We want to see her. We did get to see her on a 3D 4D ultrasound that we went to last couple of weeks ago. I don't remember, but she was all chewing. She was sucking on her toe and stuff. It was so cute. I'll try to post like pictures and a little bit of the video so you guys can see, because I did kind of film it, but honestly I've been feeling like out of it, like uninspired. I don't know, I just don't want to, haven't been wanting to film. And so I just, you know, I had recorded because I wanted to do a blog video, but I didn't end up doing a blog video. I'm using the Morphe concealer. This one is in C165. So yeah, so I really didn't end up doing anything, but I did upload it for my sister on Facebook so she can see it, so she was able to see it on Facebook and stuff. So yeah, and the pictures, they were so cute. Try to convince her to have a maternity shoot. She wouldn't have it, so I'm probably going to try before the baby comes to do her makeup and take her outside and take some pictures just for her to have it. Because honestly, I feel like she will regret it if she doesn't get these pictures taken. She's going to regret not having pictures of her belly like that, all nice and cute. So I will try to do that. See if she will be okay with it. Because, you know, she says yes and she says no. So yeah. So that's what we've been doing. I haven't been able to sleep good either because I keep thinking she's going to call me and text me, and it fucking worries me, you know, because she's gonna have the baby at night. I don't know, do people normally go into labor at night? Because from my oldest, I went into labor like at 2:30 in the morning, right? The second one, well, it had to be a C-section, so it was programmed, you know, so I already knew when we were going in and all that, so that doesn't really count. For my son, I went into premature labor, and that happened in the morning, actually. Well, I already knew he was going into premature labor because we had already gone through it, and then I had to get shots, exactly like my sister. She had to go get shots because she went into premature labor. But I ended up getting more contractions again, like at 12:30. So I ended up having my son that day. So I don't know, does like everybody just going through labor in the nighttime? Is that it? So my phone's not on mute anymore. So every time I get like a notification, an email, my phone rings and it just wakes me up. And, you know, but I just want to be prepared, because if I don't hear her call me when she's like, oh my God, because she usually calls me or texts me about every little single thing. So, you know, I feel like I'm the one that tells her, hey, yeah, you're in labor, go to the hospital. Or no, you're not, just, you know, relax, you know. So she calls me for everything, and I'm so like worried. I just want to make sure that everything is fine. And, you know, so I have that pressure of the older sisters, like, oh shit, girl, you gotta, you know, step up. I'm gonna put some setting powder. I'm using the Peach Perfect setting powder. You guys know this is my favorite. This is the last thing I have. I do have to go buy some more because you guys know this is my powder. I think that's also why I haven't been wanting to film, because I'm running out of it, and you know, I have to go get me some more. So I just don't want to run out of it because I really like it. So I don't know, the day that Too Faced decides to stop making this powder, I don't know what I'm going to do. And a lot of people tell me, like, what do you like it so much? Like, this is the powder you use the most. It just keeps me matte. Like, I don't know if it works for me. A lot of people say it doesn't work for them. Like, it doesn't keep them matte. It keeps me matte. Like, I do my face. Like, I will show you guys if I remember, because I totally forget. I'm going to film before I go to bed and be like, guys, this is what my face looks like without me retouching it or anything. My face looks like I just did it. I don't know. It just works perfectly for me. I don't know. But yeah. Okay, so I'm just going to powder my face a little bit. I got foundation. Oh no, this is old. Is this new? This is new foundation. Oh crap. Okay, so I got foundation on my microphone. Oops. Oh well. Anyways. So yeah, so that's going on. I'm going to be doing my eyebrows with the Makeup Geek brow pencil. I really like this brow pencil, you guys. It has like wax on it or something. It's really good. I just like how it does my eyebrows. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows off camera. It actually does come with 2 pencils. You can use my code prettygrace for some money off online if you guys are interested in getting something like this, or you can go on the Target. You can use my code, so but you can also get it in Target. I know they sell Makeup Geek at Target, so yeah. But other than that, you can definitely use my code. A lot of people always emailing me or asking me like about my codes. I do put them on the bottom bar, you guys. Kind of makes me sad to think that you guys don't read my bottom bar. But yeah, I have all my discount codes if you guys are interested. I do kind of update it because sometimes I like don't work with companies anymore, and I just like, you know what, why do I have them on there? So I'm just gonna take them off. So yeah. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows. I really don't know what kind of look I'm going to do today. I'm trying to put my mirror this way a little bit. Eyebrows, I honestly don't know what I want to do today. I don't know what I want to film. I kind of wanted to do more looks with the Morphe 3503 palette. That, by the way, you can use my code prettygrace for some money off. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead. I'm gonna bronze up my face a little bit. I'm gonna use the Give Me Sun from MAC just to try something different because I use the same things over and over. So, and I feel like this is more warm tone than what I usually use. So, you guys see that? Kind of like to go harsh a little bit, and then when I blend out, everything looks good. Because when I go like light and then I go and blend out, I feel like I lose like the intensity of the bronzer, blush, or whatever I use. So don't get scared, I will blend this out. Just going to bronze up, contour my face a little bit. All right, okay, now I like to go back and blend everything out. All right. So I wanted to kind of do a video also on my setup. I don't know if you guys would be interested in seeing that. Let me know, give me a thumbs up, give this video a like, and leave a comment down below that you guys would like to see my setup. I will show you guys my setup. I kind of am happy about it. I just want to do one more thing, is get that microphone thing that I wanted to do. But other than that, I think I like my setup, and I can link like all the products that I have so you guys can see. Let me know if you guys are interested in something like that, because I feel like no, you guys wouldn't be interested in something like that. So let me know. I'm going to use a Marc Jacobs blush. I'm just going to grab this brush, whatever. I'm going to add a little bit to my nose, my chin. Just because, I don't know. Just blending a little bit more just to make sure I don't look crazy when I leave my house. All right, for highlighter, I don't even know what I want to do. I guess I'll do the Anastasia So Hollywood. I just broke it. Crap. I broke my highlighter. Oh well. So I'm just using a Morphe M511 brush as a highlighter brush. I just like the size of it, and it's fluffy, so yeah. Okay, so I applied some setting spray onto my brush. Then I'm just going to go ahead and highlight. Highlight the nose, the Cupid's bow, and I kind of like to do the chin a little bit, and then I like to go back with my cheekbones and kind of just blend everything. okay. And just do this. All right, then just gonna go back and blend everything. I'm gonna do my nose contour a little bit. A lot of people ask me this brush. The brush that I use to contour my nose is the Morphe E55 brush. There is another one. It's a tiny one like this, but I don't know where it's at. You guys could only see all the brushes that I have in my desk. I have to go through everything and kind of separate. I should separate like my big brushes in one cup, the blending brushes, the whatever, because honestly, it's a lot. Okay, I'm just gonna apply some of the Give Me Sun. And then I'm going to apply some setting powder on the sides. Just let it set for a little bit. Just want to make sure that everything is really nice and blended. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do one eye off camera because I really don't know what I want to do, and then I will be back and then we can go ahead and get started. We have a visitor. Look who we got. Big belly. You gotta zoom in more though. Come in. See, my niece is in here. She's hello.
She's dead asleep right now.
Wake up. You're on YouTube. You could become famous.
No, she hasn't yet to be famous.
Está dormida.
Yep.
Yeah. My sister's here, so I have to hurry up and get ready. But yeah, I'm gonna be doing this simple eye real quick, easy. I'm gonna show you guys real quick before I put my eyelashes on because my sister's here. So basically, I just used the 3503 palette, and then I just used one color because honestly I didn't know what the hell I wanted to do. So I used this one right here, like this burnt orangey red. And I just grabbed a Morphe M166 brush, sprayed it with some setting spray, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and put that all over the lid. And doing it wet, it helps a lot with the fallout, so definitely try with that. So just quickly apply it like this. And then I went with another brush, this one, and I applied the same color onto that brush, tap the axis, and then I just helped to blend out the edges a little bit, and then I brought it up more. So you can bring it as high as you want, and you guys know I like mine high, so I'm going to bring it high. That's just going to help it blend a little bit more. Excuse me. And then grab another brush. I'm going with this bone color right here, and I just dropped my thing, but okay. And then I'm just going to use that as a brow bone color and just blend everything out. That's basically it. That was like the quickest little eyeshadow thing I've ever done. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lashes, and then I'll be right back. All right guys, so this is the final look. It was just simple and everything. For lips, I'm just using the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. I've been really into this thing. I don't know why, but I feel like it just makes my lips feel buttery and stuff. So yeah, so this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was simple and quickly, but my sister's here and I want to go spend time with her, so I was like, girl, just get this done. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment down below if you guys would like to see the setup video. Give this video a like and comment down below, and yeah, so I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.